Just the park, guys. Kids are gonna play for Easter.
Whee!
Yes, guys, beautiful sunset, guys. As you can see, we're in the park, guys. Everyone getting ready. Earlier we have the Easter egg hunt. I have some video clips of that also. Enjoy the view, guys. The beautiful sunshine. I take a walk down here, so guys. I'm going to look a bit at everything. This is Speedy Guns out, guys. I'm sure. We come in a park. Some guys, not who that guys. Shardon that. The theme. I'm done for drive, guys. I'm just left him with the car and him go and spin it. See it, he slow down over a speed bump. I want to look out my strap them because I'm telling you, you don't have to buy back. I'm that man. Yeah guys, we just take a Easter walk out through the nice clean park guys. I don't know. I'm taking over the tennis court. If I'm not gonna love the woman them guys, I'm gonna love the dog them. I go over the tennis court. Walk with my guys. As I can see, epic view. See the tree, that tree is beautiful. I go over the tennis court guys, I'm gonna take a look and renovate the park. Yeah. Don't know palling out. Can't left a mask guys. Palling mash up here. See you guys. Oh, look at ant. Alright guys, walk with me. Tennis court big and pretty guys, so just need 2 rackets and 2 tennis balls and then you just play. As I'm saying, no rollerblading, no skating, no bicycle riding, no scooter. Rules. Otherwise, I can't go play guys. Yeah. Tennis court pretty. Look at it guys. Just missing some players. Oh, my friends with the guys, but I can't I can't go over there guys, so that's why I'm showing you how the tennis court look. Beautiful. Whose daughter is there? You okay, man? As you can see, guys, out there somebody there. Out there somebody there, guys. Yeah. So I'll go about guys and show now. Alright, bring. See guys, I'll soccer them and play upon the field. The soccer field, I'm going to show them the soccer field to guys. Shara! You're good with it now? Yeah, guys, nice little ends this. You can just set so in the shade. All monuments, guys. It's a chill spot, this, guys. Can see them have the cannon them line up. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, guys. That's Charles Coury, guys. That's it, guys. That's the Dr. Martin Luther King Memorial Garden. That's for the junior guys. I'm gonna show you the garden. I'm gonna take a walk up in there. We'll go up here, there, guys. You don't know, Martin Luther King Jr. and then John C. P.I.P. Pipkin. See, guys, history. Alright, guys, I head to the ball field, guys. I can't sit down there, so over there where I go. That's a going on epic Easter Monday tour, guys. And this one is called MC Cran Memorial. Park are big enough, guys. Yeah. MC Cran. Alright, guys. Then I renovate the baseball pitch, guys. There's a baseball pitch. And go down them 100 steps here, guys. Never say 100 man, you know. 100 step. Gonna see in all view, guys. So the ball field them down there. So big on park, guys. Big park. Yeah, 100 step, guys. Yeah, guys, see there? I'm gonna renovate the baseball. We have cricket field, football field, baseball. Carrying it down there, guys. I see them park, guys. Big. I don't know, epic adventure go there soon. You know? See that them a line up the cricket guys. See which part them stand up there, see that? It's a cricket thing that guys have to look. We are going down there, man, we are showing now. As you can see guys. Innovation. It's free guys if you have a club, sport, anything. Huh? I'm going for a closer view. That's a mash up the lawn guys, but it make feet guys.